Hey guys, as you can see in the video, I am making way more than 1,000 basically reselling social media services. What does it mean this? It basically means like I buy like 1,000 followers very cheap and then I resell it for a bigger price. To do this is very simple. You basically have to search for smmgain.com. In this website, you can do whatever you like. You can buy followers, views, likes for any platform. I usually buy from Instagram and TikTok, but you can do whatever you want. Okay, once you are in, you have to create an account or sign in. In my case, I already have an account, so I'm gonna sign in. Once you are in, you already have the account or you already signed in. You will see this. And new order, you can search whatever you like here, like Instagram likes, and you can see all the prices, different prices. Okay, premium services, whatever. If you already have the service choose, you have to put the link, for example, the account link or the Instagram photo link. You put the quantity of likes, for example, and it will put the charge and then submit. Okay, then you have services. You can resell whatever you want. For example, the customer asks for TikTok video views. You can buy 1,000 for this price and then resell it like for maybe $2. I don't know. You can choose the price because there is no other people doing this, so they don't know the real price of this. You know, you can look for whatever you like here. There are almost every service. Okay, I already have phones in this, as you can see, recharging. I have the phones, but to add phones, it is very simple. You have to click crypto, no fee, and put the quantity you want, like for example, 10 for starters. As you can see, I did the payment the other day. So pay. And you can think like, oh, I don't have like crypto or whatever. So basically, you choose these two, proceed to the payment, and then you can pay with card. Okay? So it's very simple. You don't have to have crypto to do the payment, but if you have, it is more simple. They won't charge like more. Okay? But I already have money in this, so I'm gonna make an order. Okay, so once we are in services, we are gonna look for whatever service we like. Okay, for doing an example for this video, I'm gonna put likes in this Instagram post from Southampton. The other day we put likes in this post. It had like almost 200 likes, and now it has this, so it works. And then today we're gonna do the example with this post. I don't know this account, like I'm not from Southampton. I've never been there, so I'm not related to Southampton, but well. So we're gonna look for Instagram likes. Let's see. let's see. Okay, Instagram likes. And we are gonna choose, for example, this one. You copy this, and then you look it in new order. You look for it in new order, or you can do view. If you do view and create order, it's more simple. Okay, in link, let's make sure that we copy the link, and the account has to be public. In this case, Southampton and verified, it is public. We put bam the link here and the quantity. For example, 50 likes, I don't know, it has 103, so 50 is it's okay. And for less than 2 cents, so it is very good. Okay, so basically you can do this for whatever you like. We are doing this with Instagram likes, but you can do it with followers or whatever, and you buy it very cheap and you can resell it then for more price. You know, for example, I don't usually sell 50 likes only, but if I sell 1,000 likes and it costs me 24 cents, then I could resell it for $2, maybe $3, $4, and they don't know the real price, and I make a lot of profit in every transaction. So okay, we do submit, and it appears your order received. Okay. Once the order is received, we go to the Instagram post to verify that the likes arrived. So it is usually immediate, but sometimes you can wait like 10 minutes to have the likes in the account. So it depends on the service. There are fastest and others that are a bit slow. While we wait, I forgot to tell you that in services, for example, the Instagram likes, because the new updates of Instagram, the prices are going up. But like 2 months ago, you could buy thousands of likes for Instagram for less than a cent. So it was very cheap. But nowadays, it is also very cheap, so doesn't matter. But well, before you could do more profit by every transaction, but well, it's okay. Okay guys, it's been some minutes, so I'm gonna recharge the page to see the like count. So let's do it. So as you can see, it already arrived, the likes, so it worked. Okay, finally I want to remember you the page smmgain.com, the best website to resell these services. Goodbye.